Got that big ass case.
That's gonna be the opening clip. Just me fucking struggling.
Where we at, Swindle?
Mason's house.
Mason's house. Where we at, Luke?
Huh?
Where we at?
Mason's.
Mason's house.
Yeah, I just heard it. It's heavy. What, you didn't take it? I'm kind of disappointed about mine. I was trying to get access to this, but I couldn't.
Connor!
Hey! Guys in!
That's not man.
The screwdriver in the middle is my favorite part.
It's so you know, that's not the same. It's Bernard and him.
Any
Probably.
Probably better than that.
What's the bud?
Did you record that?
What'd you do the rest of it? Yeah, I get winner. Who's playing?
I'm down to try it.
It's a tie game.
Off to the right, but we're down to a cup apiece.
It's close. Mike lines up the shot. He knows this shot. Here goes
Get drunk. Don't buy bush.
Mike lines up the
I'm feeling this one.
Adrian lines up their shot. Is this the Ladies, I beg you, make it.
Wait, bump my leg as I throw it.
Oh no.
Oh my god.
No. Good start. I know my own.
Come on! I got 20 bucks on me.
Oh God, that's good.
See, like the 4 ounces I was beating you wouldn't. You might not be fucking kidding me. You would have to take with me.
Oh, it's getting spicy over there. Okay.
You scared him.
Yeah.
Yeah, there we go. Okay.
Mine really is.
Oh!
Ball's back!
It was that. Yay!
And he's like, dude, watch this. Yeah. So I said, okay.
Hey, that was my spot.
Neither of us did. In terms of like, it's like,
Hey! Oh my God!
I'll hang off there.
The three-peat.
We are undefeated.
All right, post-match. What happened?
You know, it was a tough game. It's a tough game. Came a long way. Oklahoma. Had to come tour. Here we come every year.
Yeah.
And I was just disappointed. I was disappointed. There's one of my fans. It's one of my 7 wives.
Oh.
And most importantly, I'm disappointed in myself, man. I don't know. I think next year I got to just rethink my whole everything.
Come back, work harder.
If I don't kill myself.
You'll get them next year.
Hey.
All right, well, Luke, you're first up here. Let's see what you grab.
Oh
What are
yeah.
those?
I don't know. That's awesome.
Like weird.
I want those.
Is that
There's
turning
another
like
one?
a superhuman, or?
Ooh, is that buttery nipple?
So they're twisted shots.
And then buzzed.
Oh, nice.
All right.
Oh,
That's
shit.
cool. That's cool.
Okay.
Is that the one?
Okay, all right, number 2.
That one's for me. Wait, show them the box. It's really cute.
Okay, it's
I spent so long.
fragile. It's fragile.
Fragile.
Wait, I want to take a picture.
All right, what do we got in there? Looks like it's closed.
Whoa.
Whoa!
Okay.
Oh shit. Cinnamon apple?
And then it's Star Wars whiskey glasses. Deal with it.
Yeah. That's kind of fire. All right, who's number 3?
I like whiskey.
He told me that.
All right, big mask.
Oh,
Clean.
Go crazy.
On a Lego F1
Oh, yeah.
car.
Hey, we're crazy.
That's
Oh,
fire.
that's kinda
Wait,
sick.
Oh, there's more? There's more?
and a
The Venom
A Mickey
mask.
Mantle rookie card?
NBA card.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, you're fucking.
Who is it?
Obi.
Who the fuck is Obi Toppin? I don't know who Obi Toppin is.
Hey, I will let you know. That card, $5.
All right, number 4.
That's me.
You're up.
Yeah, grab a tub.
I'm kind of scared.
Yeah, I don't like being this far back. I get to open one of the tubs.
telling me, bro.
I'm gonna do this one. Okay, we got a. Is it a fidget toy?
Oh, there's one of those like Rubik's balls.
I thought it was a fidget
That
toy.
same company.
Oh, the Action Bible! Lit. I'm not religious.
Yeah, but you haven't read it yet. So what if it changes your mind?
Is there anything live
I think
here?
apparently
There's a
this,
puppy.
the bottom tub's better. That's what I've heard. If it's alive, I'll give you $100.
Just let her grab a tub.
So this is good for candy.
Oh, that and the chest. Oh, yeah, that's big.
So this is a candy gift.
The Trust and Checkers is good.
I'm number 6. Yes.
No, he's grabbing mine.
I gotta grab Grayson's.
Yes.
Whatever this
I'm so excited.
contraption is. Looks like a
The
fucking.
screwdriver's in there, so it's open at the top.
Do I get the screwdriver too?
Go for it. It might make a little mess.
Yeah, maybe a little bit.
Gorilla tape was probably a little bit.
What is this?
Well, there goes perfectly good phone, Mason.
Oh, I can't film.
Crazy.
Actual gloves?
That's crazy.
Yo!
That's crazy.
There is a candle.
So that means. What's it gonna be? Do you want the candle and the maca book, or what do you?
I'll burn you. I'll use that to light the
You
candle.
also get the moss.
Alright, who's number 7?
Alright.
Alright, get lit, get lit.
So, we got a lot of options left, it looks like.
Tub.
So you got Gorilla tape
Why
on
is
this
it
too?
taped shut?
Yeah. We needed something to seal it.
Alright, cut and we'll be back in 5.
Honestly, yeah, it might take a while.
Hiding it out on.
So, I got a MacBook!
No, you gotta open all the boxes and bags.
Yeah.
Part of it.
What is that?
A
Emergency
poncho.
poncho and a
762.
A bullet.
762.
That's just
That's random paper we found in the apartment.
Decodables?
Oh, dude, I
Is it a
thought that
game?
was Spanish, bro. That's crazy.
We almost bought a Spanish game.
They got down. There's so much more. Another emergency poncho. That's what I wanted.
Hey.
But you haven't opened the other box.
Yeah, there's more boxes.
You only get one shot. It sounds like.
Got a Chromecast, TV.
Anime spoilers.
It might be that one. Connor, I'm pretty sure that box is empty.
Was it?
Yeah.
There's like one or two that are just empty, but it was really nice to get rid of boxes.
Yeah.
That's great.
We had a bunch of boxes
Wow,
in the
thanks, man.
apartment.
That's great.
But keep
How
going.
do you feel?
No boxes.
A poncho. That team is fucking empty, bro.
Yeah, these are trash boxes. Just rip into them. We're trying to get rid of space.
It is fucking empty.
This is
I'm
crazy.
just having fun.
That's crazy.
Poncho number 3. Let's
Dude, how
go.
many ponchos?
And an instruction instruction booklet? Let's go.
Hell yeah.
God love the instruction book.
Dude, I'm making away like a bandit.
Tapes?
You gotta read the inside of that.
Say hello to that no bra feeling.
Wait, they're the ping pong balls?
Oh, there's 6
3-star balls?
There's 6 balls. That's
No,
enough.
they're 1 star.
Oh my God.
They're ones. My seat's
How many more are there?
Like 2 more. There's probably
That's
just
the
the
computer.
Like,
2 more bongos.
you can run like a.
There's a whole. I like built a.
It's a mystery box.
It's not light.
What? What is that?
There's a poncho in the
Dude,
PC.
can I like just run that over?
It's a
Like,
computer from like 2004 that may or may not work. It does
Yeah.
not have any power cables or anything. So
I'm gonna sell it on Facebook Marketplace, $100.
you might
Take
get
it or leave
you
it.
might get $5.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Hell
Wait,
yeah.
I gotta take a picture.
The money
Wait,
spread.
you got off the game up.
You gave me
Dude.
an idea for work, dude.
I don't know what to say. This is
Yeah.
awesome.
He's
This is awesome.
He's speechless. Oh, that's
all right,
crazy.
who's next?
Go ahead,
Number
punch
8.
your career.
Number
Oh, that's me. Here.
The
You gotta sit like there.
Oh.
Oh, wait, that's kind of sick.
What is that? Wait, I can't.
Where am I gonna use this? And a bag.
No way.
What the fuck is Jewish picture?
Why are they all the same?
Here's a trivial pursuit.
Are they all the same?
It's all the fucking same.
All right, last
All
get.
right, last get.
It's Mason's good, bro. He's
Thank
talking
you. Really
about this
good.
shit. I don't know what it is. Can I see it?
Pokemon cards in there?
There you go.
Oh,
That's what it is.
What a short.
Shard survival kit.
that's crazy.
I've seen it on TikTok shop.
Instructional care card. I sharded. Now what?
Okay.
3, 2.
Hey, you never too young for.
3, 2, 1. Okay.
The guy did with the bowling ball.
Where the fuck are those scratchers though?
2004.
Grace is a bastard.
Austin, what is she doing?
Oh, I gave it to her to record.
She's getting fire shots.
I know.
That's our safe. Let me know when you
Dude,
guys.
it's
I have captured a wild Milo.
Come here, Connor.
Feeling better.
Good to see you.
Yeah, absolutely.
I need
Bye bye.
All right, boys.